I'm going to show you how you can add shipping policy to your Shopify store. To get started, you want to go to the settings down here. Now on your settings, you want to scroll all the way down and then you want to go to policies here. Now on policies, you want to go to shipping policy here. Now on here, you want to type in your policy here, right? So just type that in, for example, free shipping or something like that. I'm just going to do something like this, free shipping. Then I'm going to click on publish. And then you can see store policy is saved. And if we go to our shipping policy here, you can see there it is. This is the shipping policy. You can also do other things, like you can make it a paragraph, or if you want to make it heading, you can do it like this. You can also add bold, you can add italics, underline, color, alignment. You can also insert link, you can insert images, you can insert tables as well. And you can also enter in a couple of the other things as well. And you can also show the HTML here as well, if you know what you're doing as well, if you're pretty tech savvy. But if you're happy with your edits, I'm just gonna tap it like this. I'm gonna click on save, and then that's it. You can see store policy saved, and then done. We're done. The store policy is now saved.